Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Rog here. Today we're going to sous vide a whole chicken. Yes, a whole chicken. So let's do this. So here's what we need. Obviously we're going to need a chicken. We're going to need some pepper. I bought this seasoning today, Dunn's River chicken seasoning, so we're going to give that a go. We're going to need a lime because we're going to need a nice little bit of sharpness in there. And for a base flavour we're going to have a carrot, some onion and a couple of cloves of garlic. We're going to have some paprika and some back bacon. This again is just for flavouring. We won't be eating this afterwards. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll carry on. So here we are, you can see I've prepared all the vegetables. Well, that's not a vegetable, that's a citrus fruit. And that's not a vegetable, that's bacon. But the other ones are vegetables. I've just cut the carrot up and I've got a couple of garlics there, I'll leave them whole. Firstly, we carry on with the chicken. I'm going to put some pepper on there. Bear in mind I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side. I'm not going to keep turning it backwards and forwards. And here we go with our chicken seasoning. Give that a rub. Oops, quite a lot of that. Never mind. Right, we'll give that a rub down. And some paprika. Let's get our zipper back. And firstly, we can go in with we're going with the chicken. It's going to be a bit of a tight fit, I think, but that'll go in there. That's it. And in with the limes. Just move those about a little bit. Don't want them all in one place. Carrot, onion, more carrot, garlic on that side, garlic on that side, carrot on that side. Lastly, our rasher of bacon, as I say, that's just for the flavour. Now we can try and squish out as much air as we can. So if we get the little zipper, and up we go. Squash the air out. As much as. And there we are, good to go. So into the sous vide box we go. And we'll trap that bag with the lid. And I'm going to set the temperature for 165 degrees. That should thoroughly cook the chicken right the way through and leave it cooking away for 24 hours. So there's our chicken out of the sous vide, and I bet you're thinking, that don't look so good, does it? Well, actually, you're right, but we're not finished yet. I'm going to pat this dry because it's got quite a lot of moisture on it still. Once I've got it fairly dry, I'm going to paint it with this melted butter. Put that all over. And then it's going to go into a preheated, very hot oven for about 30 minutes to get a nice sear on it, a nice colour, make it look a bit more attractive, like me. So there we have a beautiful sous vide chicken, 24 hours in a sous vide, would you believe isn't that a long time to cook a chicken? But anyway, at the end of the day, with half an hour in a very hot oven, we've got this beautiful chicken for our dinner. And just look at the way it slices. The knife just glides through there. So moist and so succulent. Well, thanks guys for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video. Like, subscribe and share. And yes, I shall see you again in the next video. Bye for now.